Good afternoon, Pine Grove. My name is John Harlow, and I'm here to help you learn the basics of flying the drones you have an opportunity to fly. Flying your drone is going to take one app to download, which is going to be the Tello app. You'll notice that it says you need to connect to the Wi-Fi on the drone. To do that, you're just going to pull down your screen, go to the Wi-Fi, and as you notice, you see down here at the bottom, it says Tello, and then it's going to have some initials or numbers for a drone. It's going to connect up, and that is as easy as it is to load up using your drone. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to start the flight. Flight is as simple as I have a sensor here. All right, once it's connected, you'll be able to see the camera. And it's fairly easy to fly by camera. We're gonna shoot it up on into the air. And then I'm gonna work the controls. Just reviewing the controls again, this is on a smartphone. You got your left, right, forwards and backwards. You got up, down, and turn. You have a settings button. You have the land and takeoff button, and then you got your recording buttons here. All right, so I'm gonna video this also going using a phone. There it goes up. Spin around the room. Lower it down. So now it's looking at me. You can make it go left and right. You can go down more. Do another spin. With the controls, kids are going to pick up on this really easy, because this is just like all the video game controls that they use already. And that's about it. You got a bunch of little tricks. And if you notice, I'm in a fairly small room flying this, so definitely capable of flying it in your classroom. Sometimes it'll lose connection with the video, and that's okay. You can turn on the video record for it. Hello, drone. You can also take pictures with it. So if you got any plans that way. There's a picture. And then later on you can access that inside the app also. to land it, which is probably something a lot of folks would probably be upset about. Let's go to the landing button. Ta-da. All right. So, loading it, I left in, it needed an update. Loading it and flying it is that easy. Make it spin. Leave him right here hovering beside us. To look at your videos, you'll go to the play button on the screen. There's the picture we took. Here's the videos we took, and you can tell for such a small camera, it's not too shabby. It's not gonna have sound, but you can project it to your smart TVs. It is a fairly clear picture. But you can see how clear the camera actually is. So this is some video I took the day before. The drone has no sound. So if you are going to use it to record, this is pretty good because you can do a voice overlay, very simple, using iPads or any of the computers. This was, I would say, probably my second time flying the drone. So, like I said, when it comes to learning how to use this drone, it's pretty simplistic. It's not very hard. I would be willing to bet that we can learn up anybody who wants to learn how to fly this drone and use it in the class. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna take off and I'm gonna land it right here in front of us. I don't think I set it, but it also has a button to land. You can either land in your hand or you can get it over a flat place like I'm doing here. And it's a slide button just like it is for takeoff in the same spot too. And I'm gonna back up just a hair more. And we'll do land. Easy peasy.